What does wealth mean to you? Is it a daunting concept or perhaps an achievable goal? Today, we delve into the world of wealth creation even on a budget. Wealth, a single word that can evoke a multitude of emotions. For some, it's a distant dream, an elusive target. For others, it's a tangible goal, a journey to embark upon step by step. It's a journey that requires planning, discipline, and a dash of courage. But fear not, for it is a journey that can be embarked upon even on a modest budget. Yes, you heard it right. Wealth creation is possible on a budget. In today's conversation, we're going to explore 7 essential lessons that can help you on your journey to financial success. These aren't secrets hidden away in vaults, but practical steps that anyone can take, regardless of their income level or financial situation. First, we'll talk about setting clear financial goals. It's all about defining what wealth means to you and creating a roadmap to attain it. It involves visualizing your goals and tracking your progress to keep that motivation alive and kicking. Next, we'll delve into the art of budgeting wisely. This involves keeping a close eye on your expenses, prioritizing your spending, and cutting out unnecessary costs. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. We'll also talk about living below your means, investing in assets that generate passive income, continuous learning and self-improvement, surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, and taking calculated risks. Each of these lessons is a stepping stone on the path to financial success. So, whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're well on your way, these lessons will provide valuable insights to help you navigate the winding road of wealth creation. Remember, wealth isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about financial stability, freedom, and the ability to live life on your own terms. It's a journey, not a destination, and every journey begins with a single step. So buckle up and get ready to journey into the world of financial success. Lesson 1. The road to wealth begins with setting clear financial goals. It's a journey, and every journey needs a destination. Defining what wealth means to you is the first step. It's not all about money. It's about what that money can do for you. Maybe it's financial security or the freedom to travel or the ability to help others. Once you've defined your wealth, create a plan to reach it. This plan is your roadmap. It's not set in stone, it's flexible and can change as your circumstances do, but it gives you a direction. It's also essential to track your progress regularly. Seeing your progress is incredibly motivating. It's proof that your efforts are paying off, that you're moving towards your goals. And remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So set your goals, make your plan, and start your journey to wealth today. Lesson 2. The secret to accumulating wealth is budgeting wisely. When it comes to managing your money, prioritizing spending is a game changer. Think of your income as a pie. You want to ensure that each slice, whether it's for groceries, rent, or entertainment, is just the right size. Oversized slices can quickly eat into your savings potential. Keeping track of your expenses is like having a map for your journey to wealth. It shows you where your money is going and helps you identify areas where you can cut back. Think of those pricey coffee shop lattes or unused gym memberships. These are the expenses that can slowly drain your budget without you even noticing. But budgeting isn't just about cutting costs. It's about creating room for saving and investing. This is the part where your money starts working for you, growing steadily, and building your wealth over time. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your financial goals. Lesson 3. Living below your means, a proven strategy to build wealth. This is not about penny pinching, but rather making mindful decisions about where your money goes. We live in a society where lifestyle inflation is the norm. As income increases, so does the temptation to spend more, leading to a cycle where higher earnings don't necessarily translate into increased wealth. But it doesn't have to be this way. Instead, consider saving before indulging in spending. This simple shift in mindset can make a significant difference over time. By saving a portion of your income first, you're ensuring that your wealth grows with every paycheck. And then there's frugality. It's about prioritizing your financial goals over temporary pleasures. It's about choosing to invest in your future rather than spending on the now. It's about understanding that every dollar saved is a step towards financial freedom. Remember, frugality today leads to financial freedom tomorrow. Lesson 4. The power of passive income in wealth building. Imagine having a stream of income that flows into your account regularly without requiring much effort from you. That's the beauty of passive income. It's the secret weapon of the wealthy, and it can be yours too. Consider real estate, for instance. Owning a rental property can generate a steady income every month. Then there's the stock market. Investing in dividend-yielding stocks can provide you with regular payouts. Starting a business, whether online or offline, can also create a source of passive income. The key here is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets to mitigate risk. Each investment has its own set of potentials and challenges, but when combined, they can create a strong, stable income stream. Remember, the path to wealth is not about working harder, but smarter. Passive income is the key to financial independence. Lesson 5. The role of continuous learning and self-improvement in wealth creation. The journey towards financial independence doesn't stop at saving and investing. It's a lifelong process that requires constant learning and self-improvement. Just as the world of finance continues to evolve, so should your knowledge. It's important to stay informed about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. You can do this by reading books, taking courses, or even listening to podcasts on the topic. The more you know, the better decisions you can make regarding your money. Financial literacy is not something taught in schools, but it's a crucial skill to master for wealth creation. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it, and how to invest it to grow your wealth. Don't be afraid to seek advice from experts or mentors. They can provide valuable insights and lessons from their own experiences. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to wealth creation. Lesson 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. It's often said that we are the sum total of the 5 people we spend the most time with. This is particularly true when it comes to our financial aspirations. By joining networking groups, participating in mastermind sessions, or enrolling in mentorship programs, we place ourselves in a thriving ecosystem of success. These environments are filled with people who are on the same wealth-building journey as you. They understand your struggles, celebrate your victories, and provide invaluable insights from their own experiences. They challenge your thinking, push your boundaries, and inspire you to reach for greater heights. Surrounding yourself with successful individuals isn't about riding on someone else's coattails. It's about absorbing their mindset, learning from their strategies, and leveraging their success to fuel your own. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose those individuals wisely. Lesson 7. Embrace calculated risks. There's a fine line between recklessness and courage, and it's important to walk it wisely. This is where calculated risk comes into play. This isn't about throwing caution to the wind, but rather, it's about weighing the potential rewards against the potential losses. It's about evaluating opportunities with a discerning eye, and having the courage to leap when the conditions are right. Think of it this way. Every decision you make is a form of risk. Whether you're deciding to invest in a new business or choosing to save your money, both actions come with their own set of potential outcomes. The key is to make decisions that align with your financial goals and to be prepared for the possible setbacks. And if you stumble or fall along the way, don't be disheartened. Each mistake is a lesson learned, a stepping stone on your path to wealth. Remember, no risk, no reward. To recap, wealth creation, even on a budget, is achievable. It all begins with setting clear financial goals. Define your own version of wealth and create a roadmap to get there. Remember, tracking your progress is just as important as setting the goal itself. Budgeting wisely is your second step. It's about having a clear understanding of where your money is going and making the conscious decision to prioritize your spending. Cutting out unnecessary costs and focusing on saving and investing for the future will take you a long way. Living below your means is the third lesson. This isn't about depriving yourself, but about making smart decisions with your income. Saving a portion before spending the rest and avoiding lifestyle inflation will steadily build your wealth over time. The fourth lesson is about investing in assets that generate passive income. Real estate, stocks, businesses, these can all provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort on your part. Remember, diversification is key to mitigating risk. Lesson 5 encourages continuous learning and self-improvement. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Seek out knowledge from courses, books, and experts to enhance your financial literacy. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals is your sixth lesson. Join groups, attend mastermind sessions, or find mentorship programs to learn from successful people and stay motivated on your wealth-building journey. Lastly, embrace calculated risks. Evaluate potential opportunities and have the courage to take those that align with your financial goals. Be prepared for setbacks, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. These 7 essential lessons can guide you towards achieving wealth on a budget. It may not be an easy journey, but with perseverance, discipline, and the right mindset, it is a journey you can embark on. With these 7 lessons, you're well on your way to achieving wealth and securing a financially stable future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.